Hey friends, are you looking for a quick tip in Affinity Designer? Say you've got your botanical line drawing that you've removed the background on and you've got great texture, but you want to add color to the actual design. If it's in black ink or a black drawing of any type, you can change it in the adjustments panel by using the Recolor tool. It's a great tool to get exactly what you want. You just need the hue, the saturation, the lightness, and the opacity. So we can find that by going to your colors. Make sure you're on the HSL slider. That's a hue, saturation, and luminance slider. I know it's 52, 99, and 56 with 100% opacity. So I can change those numbers just by tapping and typing in 52, going to saturation and tapping 99, and going to lightness, tapping and hitting 56. And I get that exact color that I was looking for. If I want to change the saturation, I can come in here and change it by moving up or down. Or if you know the exact number, you can just tap and it brings up your number profile. And so I'm going to hit, this one says 59, and I wanted that more goldy color. So there you have a quick tip using your color adjustment. Now this will change the color of everything that might be below it. So let's see what it looks like if I duplicate this layer, and it's changing everything. But if I only want one layer changed, I can tap on it till it hovers, and when you see the blue line, it's dropping it into that layer. And it's like a mask on that layer, but the other layer is fine. There's my quick tip in Affinity Designer. If you need more quick tips for how to remove the background of said drawing, this botanical line drawing, check it out. I just uploaded a quick lightning fast one with Procreate. So have fun, remove those backgrounds, change those colors, and don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm Katie from Perch Handmade. This is a quick tip in Affinity Designer. If you want more classes from me, don't forget to check out my email list and be on the first to hear about new classes and free downloads. I'll see you next time.